Welcome back viewers and subscribers. Big Super there out at Church Street. You know who this? Carney Country Style Cook Shop. Bless up, bless up, bless up. And we are past the transportation center. We have Kimali TV people. Yeah, see Kimali TV there. Oh. You understand? Everybody are laughing at the tailor shop.
I don't know if it's true. He say if everything go well, by the second week of September, the road's supposed to start.
By the second week of September. Yeah. People so hear that? Yeah, Welcome back viewers and subscribers. Big Super there out at Church Street. Yeah, we're out at Church Street people. I was some work I go on the Church Street, yeah, because you know say a lot of ongoing work I take place out here. So we just take a walk and look what's taking place out here. It's a Friday. It's a Friday afternoon, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, it's a Friday afternoon, my viewers and sub. And it's time and temperature check 3:35 in the afternoon, Friday, August the 25th. So stick and stay people. Big Super make a walk. And see where I go on out here on Church Street. Stick and stay. We still like rain. We still like rain out to come down. The viewers and stuff. We still like rain. We don't know. We are watch the weather. Because you know the rain keeps the place damp and nice and cool. Yeah. I want the man there walk so with that thing up on him foot. You don't know what kind of style that. Think him? You don't know what kind of style that. Some of viewers and sub. You know who this? Carney Country Style Cook Shop. Bless up, bless up, bless up. So, the viewers and sub, Carney Country Style, them all deliver. I never made them recognize me. So, we don't mind the rain because the place kind of dusty, don't it, Kim? Yeah, the place dusty. And we are go out of the tailor shop. We are going to find out from the tailor in the Friday afternoon. All the dust nuisance, all the road that come on, because from the last time I talked to him, tell me say, him have hope, you know, him see sign of hope. I want to find out if him still has a sign of hope. Yeah, I want to find out if him still has a sign of hope. Based up off of the work that take place out here, on the main road here. And we are past the transportation center. Yeah, we are past the transportation center people. Yeah, St.Thomas Municipality Corporation. Yeah, see it over there for people. The transportation center. So on one bus there right at the front there, so park up. And we are go down to the tailor shop. Yeah, go here with the tailor. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, and at the same time we see like rain, the place dark up. Yeah, like rain was to fall. Yeah, my viewers and sub. So we just update, you know, from what go on Church Street. We just update the public. Let them see what go on Church Street. How the road are come on. And thing. And we have Kimali. We have Kimali TV people. See Kimali TV there. You can go over him channel. Yeah. Go like, share and subscribe.
I'm in the 750.
Boy, you're going good, Kimali.
Run for go 1,000.
People, I want to bring him up 1,000 right now. Run go subscribe over him channel. Yeah, man. So Kimali, can you drive on the road there since morning? What kind of work you observe go on? out just up on the road. What kind of work you observe?
I did corner side, I see them in a digging.
You see them a dig out the corner side?
I put in pipe.
What them a put in pipe? But you don't see like no major work to take place. Like asphalting.
No, nothing like that.
So we don't know what going on, people. So we just make a walk and we are go out of the tailor shop. Go look what going on. Go here with the tailor officer because him face the most doesn't knock him.
Yes, sir.
Because him the right in the corner.
Right.
You understand me? Him there in the corner. Yeah, him there in the heart of the dust. Lord God. And the shop look like it open out there, don't it? Yeah. The shop open, yes. Yeah man, so big up the jerk chicken people them. Alright. You don't know them, subscribe to my channel people. My loyal subscriber. Make me 360 and look back in the direction of Morant Bay. Yeah, me 360 people. Just take a few seconds or so and look back in the direction of Morant Bay. And we just big up the jerk chicken people them over there, so see them there. And see Presser Plaza there. And right with the numeration. The numeration. Some lightning a flash. Yeah. We see some lightning a flash, Kim. Yeah. We see some lightning a flash. So we're up on Church Street, Church Corner. And we just make a walk in the Friday afternoon. Go look what go on if there is any update or upgrade on the road. We hear rain, we hear thunder and roll over our head. When we look in the direction of Water Valley, Golden Valley, the whole of them places came back. I wash where?
Yeah.
It look like we have a big rain a set up.
Yes, sir.
I tell you, we don't know if we can manage that. That car is pretty, man. No, sir. What a beautiful car. Yeah, man, so my viewers and sub. We pass the courthouse, so we never get to show them the courthouse. Alright. We never get to show them the courthouse. So we pass the courthouse. Yeah, eh? Dust. And the tailor in the right in the corner, people. Right. Me never want to say that. And the restaurant you up there, man. Where the restaurant name again? Yeah. But the whole of the top of them up at the restaurant they meet people. And then the right in the dust too. Sharon. Right at the roadside. And you see lightning a flash. Maybe the tailor get a little easier now like a rain a go fall. Yeah. Because if rain no fall, you don't get no blessing around here, you know. No. People, ain't no rain no fall on a church corner. The tailor man don't get no blessing. So, look a blessing are coming at the tailor man way. We are going to the tailor shop. You understand? Everybody are laughing at the tailor shop. Big super come to the tailor shop. Blessing are come from above. People, let me 360 the camera. I show you. We're the right in front of the tailor shop. And we are going in at the tailor shop. Because the last time when I talked to the tailor tell me say it look like the real thing this. Me not see the tailor.
Him gone on back.
Him gone on the back, him soon come. But me know you are the representative.
No, sir, I'm just a super fan.
I'm just a super fan. But yeah, what me I say, the last time I talked to the tailor man say, this look like the real thing.
Yeah.
You in the shop every day. It look like the real thing. It still look like the real thing to you?
Yeah.
It still look like the...
Because the waterman them,
yeah.
alright, so them still on daytime with we, you know.
Yeah.
And we have a engineer from Czech, pipeline engineer from Czech.
Yeah.
And him say, what if a mistake go on for the first pipeline, so when them are overlook on something, them see about it. I don't know if it's true. Him say if everything go well, by the second week of September, the road's supposed to start.
By the second week of September.
Yeah.
People,
so
you hear that?
Yeah, that's how him tell me.
You hear that,
today,
people?
Yesterday meet them lunch.
Yesterday meet them lunch.
Yeah, so we talk to them. Them alright and nice, you know.
Yeah.
And them talk to us, you know, make we know what go on.
So you see that, people?
So them say them are go connect the pipe.
Yeah.
Sterilize the pipe.
Yeah.
And then transfer the old main to the new main.
Yeah.
And if everything alright, then them are go proceed.
By September.
By the second week, the latest.
So we don't have to take sick again.
Well, I mean, the water truck still now come as though it for come.
Oh, I did talk about the water truck.
We give thanks to Father God, not give him more than we can bear because you see it look black up the coast.
Yeah, the people them, tell me if I tell you.
Yeah.
See the brother when they come give you attitude, because them know him, you know.
Yeah.
Them say next time when him come here and I give you attitude, you must take out your phone.
And video him.
Yes, nobody know a long argument.
Yeah.
And send it to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you see the same people them where give you attitude, them want to run for councillor,
And so-
them want to run for all type of thing, but them end up at the day them still want to disrespect the people them and turn on and ask them.
We don't know where I'm because yesterday the water truck went, go as far as Tire Warehouse and we not get no water, so we have to check youth.
Yeah.
As I always call him name, big him up. Him
Yeah.
say him don't know how we don't get no water.
But
because
uno
the
need
truck work
water more than
yesterday.
any other person around here
So-
because uno the right in the line.
In
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
the worker them and the representative them alright, but you know say
Looking at the camera.
them are gonna do them individual stuff.
Yeah.
So you know, to be right now whistle.
Yeah man, I know what you
But
think
so
say.
far, this look like a real deal.
This look like a real.
Yeah.
By now in September.
The second week of September, I'm saying.
Well, me just say by now in September.
Yep.
And the nothing out there and gone on the back.
They're on a back of you with some.
Alright, me not bother rush him. Me not tell you you do well.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself, people, one of my loyal subscribers. It's such beautiful.
subscriber.
You see your teeth them white and clean. Big up yourself. What's your name again?
Shelly.
Shelly. So people, you see it rain a come, the blessing a come, we are head back that way there. Big Super bring the blessing out here on Church Street and we just make a walk and we go check the Tailor to find out exactly what they update on the road because them, as you can see people see the shop there, them the right in the line at the dust. Them the right in the line at the dust people. You see when the dust come, it come right in the corner yourself. And when it comes in the corner, everything just go right, everything just large, right in the Tailor shop. Some of viewers and sub, I'm out here with Kimali TV company side there. Come chat to your people them.
Yeah, man.
See Kimali TV your people.
Alright, Kimali TV, you know. I'm a big super out here, you know.
Yeah.
Without no fear, you know.
And-
so, you know, what I want to know, run go on my channel, go subscribe, share, comment. Because I'm 715. I go want to reach to 1,000 subscribers, so people want to help.
You want to help people. So now go over there and subscribe people and bring him up to 1,000 that we can monetize him, that he can collect some bottles in his pocket. You understand? For now, Big Super out in Church Corner and Church Street. Just saying to you guys, just do the right thing. Like, share, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. Do all of the things that you need to do to make the channel grow. Big Super saying to you, peace out.